Hey Plant Fam! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jacqueline. This is my new jungle. It's a mess. And if you're not new here, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. I'm a disaster, so I am not going to keep the camera on me. I'm going to turn you around and show you what is going on in here. All right, fam. Here's the state of the plant room. Currently, it's kind of a disaster, but we got the cabinet in here and I got these shelves up that you would have seen in the last one. And I've got my humidifier going in here. It's like 80%, which my plants are going to love. I've already got so many emergents happening. So this is temporary. I literally just shoved things on the shelves here. So I'm gonna have to move all of this and get things put where they're supposed to go. I was just way too tired yesterday to make those decisions. So I'm just gonna like sit on the floor here for a while and stare. Because we're also putting some shelves here, but David can't do that until I like clear out. So I do need to put the reptiles up on here. That's going to help get them off the floor. Maybe I should do that first because then I can put the plants over here so I can actually get in over here. So that's the plan. I also just have boxes of pottery, so gotta figure out where we're gonna store all that. Maybe store some pottery up here and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the height on these. I might have to take one of these tops off to fit taller plants, but also we can just put the taller plants on the floor. And the shelves that I got from IKEA have a section in the middle. They look very similar to like my wood shelves that I had, with the taller on the sides and then the shorter in the middle, so you can put the taller plants there. Yeah, so that's the plan. And that's what we're gonna do today.
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
What, baby? What? He's like, you got up off the couch, Mom. Why? I got work to do, bub. I got a new vacuum I gotta put together that I'm very excited about. Yeah. You wanna help me? You wanna help me put it together? You hate vacuums. He's very neat, very needy boy. I love you. Do you love me? No? That's not nice. I love you so much. Okay, so when we come in the door here, the first thing that you see are my reptiles. I have to set them up with lights and everything. This is very messy, but this is where they're gonna live. This is all the babies in one spot, which is really nice. And then the IKEA shelves David's gonna put together, and I'll show you that before this video is over. And then I've got a nice big closet over here, like I said in a video earlier at some point. But I did fill up my Redsta. I just need to get it plugged in. For the most part, it's filled. Let me get through the humidifier here. So this one is going to be pretty stacked up, and then I do still have quite a few Hoya hanging out on the floor over here that are going to be going in the Millsbow wide that's over here, but I kind of can't get to that right now. So I'm just going to leave those on the floor by the window until I'm able to get there. And then I kind of just have my anthuriums scattered around over here that need to go on these shelves here. These shelves, I'm just going to like all my favorite plants, like lots of anthurium and pretty stuff on here. This might get shifted around a whole bunch. I have no idea, but for right now, this is the setup. I do have a desk that's going to go right here. some plants that are probably maybe going to live on the floor. I haven't decided if I want to put them up on the shelves or on the floor. And then here I'm thinking I will get some just like metal bars going across to hang some of my hanging baskets. Obviously I'm going to put a couple in the windows. I just don't want the windows super obstructed with plants. So we're working on it. My acre bar is probably, it's on the floor over here with all of my little anthurium babies in it. I'm probably gonna put that on top of that, or like on the floor over there maybe. I haven't decided yet. But this is the state of the plant room. I kind of shoved everything over here, and I just cleaned the floor so that David can build the shelves when he gets back from running some errands. So that is the current state of the plant room. This is like day 2 of me working on it. I'm definitely feeling better today. Yeah, that's the plant room. And I am gonna grab my seltzer and close this door so that my cat doesn't come in here. But my shelves are right here on the floor. So David's just, oh shit, I'm fine, everything's fine. David's just gotta put them together. Everything's kind of a disaster, but you know, we're working on it. I don't know about you guys, but I really love this place, and I hope that you love it too. So that is gonna be it for right now. I will see you guys in a little bit with some footage of David putting those shelves together, and maybe be putting some plants on it if I have the energy. So we'll see. Okay, fam. So this is where I'm at for now. I'm, like I said, not going to be able to do all of this in one shot, but I'm liking the way that it's coming together. And that is pretty much, I think, as far as I'm going to take you in this video, because I genuinely just don't know what. I'm going to be doing this in little bursts throughout like the next week, and then we can come back and I'll give you like a proper tour of everything that is gonna end up on these shelves here behind me. But a lot of this is just temporary, just so I can get an idea. I mean, I like the way some of these look for sure, but I just want to get an idea, move things around, you know. There's plenty of space still on the bottom here, but I'm getting tired. I had like tons and tons of pots that I unboxed. I moved a lot of the anthurium that were over here, so like I just gotta rearrange stuff. And then there's still a bunch of Hoya on the floor here that need to go in the Mills bow, but we're making progress. There's less boxes in here. We just got this adorable cat tree, and look at her, she's just passed out. Hi, pretty girl. What are you doing? She's like, oh, you came to rub my belly? Rub the belly. Oh my gosh. Look at you. She loves it. Have you ever seen a cat who likes belly rubs? The paws. She's like, oh yes, that's so good. Making biscuits. Making biscuits. 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 Making biscuits. Sorry, that's probably really annoying. Your paws. You love it, I know. You're so sweet. The paws. Oh, goodness gracious. And he's just waiting for food. So, it's coming along. We're still waiting for our console to get here for the TV. And, yeah, I know, you're starving to death. But, you know, we're working on it. I got my desk in here. It's a work in progress. But I think that might be it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, you should probably give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, so you don't miss anything from me. If you watched this whole entire video, leave me, I don't know, some emojis, some black heart emojis. I don't know, seems appropriate. And I love you so very much. I hope that you've been enjoying this little series. I don't know if I'm gonna do more, because like there's really not much more to do. Let me know if you want like a home decor, like I can do more decorating kind of videos, but usually nobody watches those. So I love you guys so very much. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are out there in the world. Don't forget to spread kindness. Don't forget to drink your water, and I will see you in the next one with a new background, hopefully. I love it.